Right, we got 9:40. Let me just get going out of the shell garage. Oh, I didn't reset my thingy. Trip counter seems to be working okay now. Okay, Rietfontein's 34 and then another 60 to Otavi. Temperature's a lot pleasanter here in Grootfontein, I can tell you. So we had 9:40, I arrived at 9, so that's really amazing timing. But the twitch is that I've sprung some kind of oil leak on the clutch side. I can't quite see. When I was putting petrol in, the attendant said, oh, kind of drew my attention to it. So my clutch cover is like, so it could be when the guys did the clutch service, I didn't think they had an original gasket, so I think they made a gasket. So maybe that was a weak point. Maybe it's barreling along at 120, 130. So I'll just anyway, I bought a 500mm rather than using what I've got in the I've got a litre that I'm carrying, so I just bought 500, put that in, so it looks like it was 500, you know. Got used up somehow, well, through the leak. So we'll have to figure out what goes on there. I might buy a 5 litre or something in Otavi, I'll see, and just strap it on. You know, I've got a place I can strap it on. I've got tie downs. I got tie down, so I could secure a 5 litre onto the bike. But that's something that's going to have to get, obviously, well, maybe not obviously, but that's got to get attended to in Cape Town. Whatever happened over there, you know. So jolly good for the shakedown trip. Discovered one thing that shook. And we carry on straight to Otavi. One straight road from Rundu. Well, I suppose you could say from Kasane. So, well, that's nothing clever because it's a straight road from Cape Town to Joburg too. Did a battery swap, so I couldn't do a film coming into Grooties. Not quite sure that is indicative of the whole of Grooties, but nevertheless that was some of it. Hier kom die manne. Must be a diereskou. Ja, Grootfontein auction. Right. Right, coming to buy some cattle. Well, there's the road. We'll see you a bit later. Keep your fingers crossed for my oil situation. Bye.